We return to Visual Studio. Let's create a new project and name that project While Demo. This example will be a little bit artificial, but it will make the point. Let's start by creating an integer variable called myLittleHorses and set its value to 0. We can create a while statement that checks the value that myLittleHorses is less than 10. And in that case, we can, for each time we go through the loop, right line myLittleHorses and follow that by an equal sign and then the value in the variable myLittleHorses. We need that brace. As it is, this would run forever because it'll always be true that myLittleHorses is less than 10. Nothing is changing that value. So let's go in and set myLittleHorses to increment from the value 0, and it will run as long as the value is less than 10, that is 0 through 9. And sure enough, when we run it, we see myLittleHorses equals 0 through myLittleHorses equal 9. Let's go back and say, perhaps bizarrely, that we only want to run this while myLittleHorses has a value less than 0. It's initialized to 0, and so this will never run. When we try to run it, you can see that nothing has been displayed. However, if we change this from a while loop to a do-while loop, so let's take the condition while myLittleHorses is less than 0 and put it at the end of the loop, and at the beginning put the keyword do. Now we're saying do this while myLittleHorses is less than 0. The test comes at the end, and so we are guaranteed to run at least once, whether the test passes or not, because the test comes after we run it. And sure enough, when we run this, we see that myLittleHorses is equal to 0, and then it will be completed when it hits that while statement.